everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video we will be making a farmhouse style vintage looking Christmas sign to go in this frame. Now this frame is normally displayed in my entryway and I normally switch out the photos for the different seasons. So these are the farmhouse ones that I have during the rest of the year, and then behind that I have a couple of ho 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 images and a couple of trick or treat images that I just printed off the internet that I normally just interchange throughout the seasons. But today I thought I'm going to step it up a little bit and get rid of these and use my Cricut Joy to create a bit more of a fancier looking sign. And we're going to use the MDF backing that comes with this frame and put the sign directly on that backing. So first up, we're going to cover the whole board in some white chalk paint. Now I know there's a few rough areas there where the hooks have been attached to the back of it, but I'm not too concerned about it because at the end of the day, we want this sign to look pretty rustic. So yeah, I'm not really concerned about that. So I've created this stencil using my Cricut Joy. Now because this is a larger than matte project, I've had to split this up into 3 different sections, but once we put the first paint down, we can then just line up the next stencil with the paint that's already on the board, so it shouldn't pose too much of a problem. And if you want, I will leave a link to this stencil down below, so if you do want to recreate it yourself, it will be there ready to use. Now I do have to apologize, guys. I lost all the footage of me putting the first stencil down and painting it. I don't know what happened. My phone just decided to switch itself off for some reason. So I lost all that footage, but I'll show you now how to line up the next stencil with the painted images that are already there, and then we'll complete the rest of the sign. So here's the finished sign, guys, all back in the frame now. I'm super happy with the way this has turned out. Really, really pleased. And now I'll show you what it looks like in my entryway as part of my Christmas decor in there. So at this stage, I haven't had all my Christmas decorations out as yet, but you can see the burlap sign that I've previously done. And now to finish it off with this little guy. I'm just really, really pleased with how it's all coming together and can't wait to show you my completed entryway soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.